let's see here. I will try and show you another way that you can solder without having to try to hold everything. So what we can do is we can tin the wire, tin the lead on the motor, and then we can tin the wire that we strip on here, which is basically just pre-soldering and pre-soldering. I'll just show you in here. Take the wire. Nice little strip out of it. Sometimes I take it and I like to twist it. Just twist it around a little. So now get a soldering iron. The tip's a little dirty, so we'll clean it off. So now we hold the soldering iron onto the tip, add solder, and boom, it sits on the little terminal. So we're not putting it on the soldering iron, then putting it on here. We're holding the soldering iron on, and then we're letting the solder flow in. So now we'll do the same thing for the wire, which I have one of these fancy dancy little holders. So clean your tip, make sure it's nice and shiny. So I'm going to hold the soldering iron on the wire, then add the solder basically in between. Gosh, I think I had too much coffee. In between the solder and the wire, and you'll see it kind of flow in. It's kind of flowing in the wire. And now this is tinned and this is tinned. Now, what you can do is, actually, need that. You can just hold this on here, and with whatever is left on the soldering iron, it's going to be quick because there's only a little bit of flux left, which is what helps the solder flow. So just tap it on, tap it on here. Boom. Hold it for a second. Done. Now everything is flowed together. It's a nice solid joint. No cracks or anything. It's nice and shiny. You want it to be shiny when it's cooled down. There you go. And I'll do it the other way here in a second.